Hi, I'm Cole, and I'm going to show you the impacts of past Wisconsin glaciers. I'm here on the Glacial Drumlin Trail, a 52-mile-long biking and walking path that connects the communities between Madison and Milwaukee. This Glacial Drumlin Trail is located at the end of one of Wisconsin's largest glacial lobes from the last ice age, the Green Bay Glacial Lobe. Being so close to home, I'm able to show you the lasting impacts of glaciers on an environment like Wisconsin. Let's zoom in to where I currently am, between the communities of Lake Mills and London, Wisconsin, to check out a glacial lake bed left over from the last ice age.
This land has history. It was previously owned by the state of Wisconsin and is currently owned by the state of Wisconsin. But in between those two periods, a company called Muck Farms purchased this land for the glacial lake bed and the sediment here to grow potatoes and carrots.
As mentioned in class, glaciers aren't only the mass movement of ice, but also sediment. And in this case, the soil in this area, called lacustrine soil, is a type of soil specifically from now extinct glacial lake beds. These soils are not all the same and can be built up of sand, clay, and silt. This can be influenced by factors such as when it was deposited, distance to the shore, or makeup of the surrounding soil. Near Madison, these deposits are often much sandier than other Wisconsin lacustrine deposits. And this sandy soil deposit is a great place for growing potatoes because it allows the potato to expand freely. A good piece of info to take for your home garden.
Now let's take a quick detour northwest, slightly off trail to the Goose Lake Wildlife Area, where we can see up to 30 glacial drumlins by satellite, and even a few in person.
I'm 1 mile north of the Glacial Drumlin Trail here at Goose Lake Wildlife Area. Here you can see up to 30 drumlins by satellite going the same direction, southeast. Although we can't see a few or many here in person, there's actually one behind me cut by this highway. You can see the teardrop shape start to the right of me and end to the left.
As seen in the satellite image of the local area, the marked drumlins can be seen all moving in the same direction, and the one depicted in the video is among these. These drumlins are streamlined till from under the glacier, like a piece of land that the glaciers moved alongside to form these aerodynamic teardrop-shaped hills. A common theory is that glacial sediment clumps together and builds on top of itself, and creates this shape as a glacier passes over it. A more rare explanation is subglacial floods. Other than the formation, drumlins are well understood in composition and expected location. Unfortunately, that's all the glacial depositional features that were located near me. And there are more glacial features found around the state and the country, such as glacial erratics, a rock that's left over that can be quite different than its environment. A perfect example is shown in lecture, the Oberlin Rock. Another feature are kettles, a hole that is formed by retreating glaciers, leaving behind large blocks of ice that melt and kind of stay behind and create a pool of water. Although located quite far away, the kettles of northern Siberia show a clear image of several kettles left over from a glacial retreat, and they aren't too common in Wisconsin. Congrats, you're now a glacial depositional pro. Show the rest of the world you snow so much, and have a nice day.